Tonight, we're taking a deeper look into a newly released report that says a deadly police shooting in McLean back in 2022 was justified. An officer killed 26-year-old Aaron Lynch, who was going through a severe mental health crisis at the time. So just last month, the Commonwealth's attorney announced the 3 officers involved will not face any charges. Tonight, our Matthew Torres says the officer who fired the deadly shot was not following some of the rules.
Hey, bud, that down. Whoa, bud, put it down.
Police say the 3 officers who tried to help Aaron Lynch as he was going through a mental health crisis wanted to get him help. This is the second time they responded to his house in McLean in 2022 that day. But unlike the first call, these officers who were trained in de-escalation didn't have a mental health clinician with them.
I'll see if he even just wants to go voluntarily.
Investigators say 2 officers tried to use their taser after Lynch threw a wooden mask at them, but they didn't work. Officer Edward George then fires his gun multiple times when Lynch came up with a bottle in his hands.
You asked to call for us, remember? Oh. Hey.
Nearly 2 years later, the independent police auditor released a report saying it agrees with the Commonwealth attorney to not press charges against the officers involved since they followed protocols.
Yeah, that it was objectively reasonable and therefore lawful.
Lynch's family says the findings are incorrect. In a statement to WSA 9, his parents say, "We believe that the 3 police officers who answered the call could have handled this far differently. To respond to Aaron's mental health crisis by shooting him at all, let alone 5 times, cannot be justified."
The decision to use deadly force did comply with the law and the policy. Still doesn't make it easy to accept. I can certainly appreciate that. I can't put myself in their shoes.
The report found Officer George violate 2 policies, not turning on his body camera during the first call and not carrying the taser assigned to him. The auditor recommended the full use of a program to pair up officers with mental health experts on certain calls. WSA 9 has covered the effort to expand the program since the incident, which police say has now grown to have teams available throughout the week.
Another recommendation for police was to have other factors to consider use of force when it comes to non-criminal calls like a mental health service. Now, when asked, police didn't say if Officer George faced any disciplinary actions. Guys?